Welcome to the Destiny Suite channel. My name is Lucrece Guzma, and I'm here to serve you with the resources you need to grow in the Lord, in your business, and life. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit your menu anchors, and make sure you change your logos inside your WordPress dashboard and in Elementor. The template that we'll be using in this example can be found at www.destiny31.co. It's called the Classy Minimalist, and it's designed for those who need a quick e-commerce solution and blog solution for their brand. So let's get right into it. As you can see here on our demo website, whenever you click on an item here on one of the categories, it scrolls to that section on that page, and that's called a menu anchor. What this does, it keeps everything on one page, and you don't have to have multiple pages, making your site slow. So I'm going to show you how to make sure you connect yours correctly and how to change and edit the items to match what your branding needs. Let's say, for example, I'm here in my demo shop here. Let's say, for example, I am a baker instead of a clothing designer. So I'm going to go ahead and change my categories here. So instead of business, I'm going to do cakes. And be sure to keep the hashtag in the URL part, because that's important for the next step in a few minutes. And then make sure you change the name of that category so it can show up in the menu. The next category I'm going to do is cake pops. And notice I put them in all lowercase, and then you could do whatever you would like for the navigation label. And then the third, I'm going to go ahead and do cupcakes. All right, so we have our three categories. Now the next step you're going to do to ensure that it's always connected to the right place, no matter what page it is on the website, is you have to add your website URL in front of each tag. So, for example, for me, my website is destiny31demo.shop. So we're not going to take this last part. We're just going to copy this first part right here. So you're going to copy the first part of yours, whatever your website URL is. And make sure you have that / at the end. And what you're going to do, you're going to copy that and you're going to paste it right in front of the tag. So it should look like this. So you're going to have the URL, the / and the tag. Same thing here. I'm going to paste. And we're going to paste that here as well. All right. So once you're done, always check and click on Save Menu. All right. So let's check to see if our categories have changed. Yes, they have. So notice cakes are here, cake pops, cupcakes are here. Now, if you click on them, they're not going to go anywhere because they're not going to work yet, because we have to do this next step. So now what you're going to do while you're here, you can click on Edit with Elementor, and you could also do that back in the dashboard under the Pages tab. But for now, we're just going to go ahead and click on Edit with Elementor. We're going to go right into this page. All right. So the same order that we have here, we're going to go ahead and set it up in the order here. We'll worry about editing later. Okay. So let's act like this is going to be the cakes section. Now, if you notice right above the section, there's like a little anchor sign here. I want you to go ahead and click that pink pencil in that element, and notice it says business. But once you go ahead and change it to cakes, What this tells Elementor is that the tag that you created in the menu is going to match here. So it's going to go to that section on that page. So let's scroll down and go to the next category. This is an info section. So we're going to do the same thing here. Here's the anchor for this section. So the next category was cake pops. So we're going to do cake pops, no space. And whatever yours is in that case, make sure you put no space here. And let's go to the third category. Same thing here. Third category is cupcakes. All right. So once you're done, you're going to click on update. And now let's test it out to make sure that it goes to the right place. So when I click on cakes, it goes to the cakes, the cake pops, and the cupcakes. Perfect. We'll worry about editing in future videos. So now let's work on customizing the menu as far as the look is concerned, how to change your logo, and different things that you can do. So staying on this same page, you can come here where it says edit with Elementor, hover over it, and then I want you to go to the header. Now in the header, there's two here. You're going to have, this is for desktop, and this is going to be for mobile. Okay, so let's edit the desktop one. So let's say you want to change your logo, you want to change the fonts and colors. I'm just going to briefly go over how to do that. And then in the next video, we'll go into more detail when we start editing the template. So let's say, for example, I want to change the logo. So let's click on that pink pencil here. And we're going to change the logo to something else. Let's see if there's something in here. Oh, we already have some, so that's a good thing. So here's our bakery here, Sweet Cakes Bakery. So we changed our logo. And if you want to change the size, you can do that here. But I recommend going to style, and then you can adjust the width the way that you want it here. I think it's best here. All right. And make sure that the image is connected to your home page. So let's see here. So I'm going to put this one since that's what it's there for. So destiny31.demo, no, destiny31demo.shop. So that's the website URL. So make sure it links to your homepage. All right. Now, if you want to edit the menu, you would click on the menu. And there's lots of options you can do here. You could change the alignment. You could change where to put things. We're not going to go over that in this video, but I just wanted to show you what you can do here. If you don't want this line here, you could remove it by just clicking on that section and then going to style, border, and you can remove it if you want. So there's lots of things you can do and change colors and fonts and things like that. So I just wanted to quickly show you how to connect your menu, how to access editing in here, and making sure everything works seamlessly. So see you in the next video where we're going to start editing, and we're going to show you how to transform your template into whatever you want. Okay? And see you in the next video.